Doesn't this helicopter look strange? Some might say it's like an ISO van on steroids. No, that's actually CH47 Chinook, a US beast that can carry weights of up to 24,000 lbs. It can airlift even the Humvee like a toy. Recognized by the name of the Flying Crane, it boasts of a rear cargo ramp, multiple fuselage doors, and 3 external ventral hooks, allowing easy cargo and troop transport. There you see, that's a tank getting lifted. Originally developed by Vertol and now manufactured by Boeing, it made its debut in the US Army in 1962. Apart from the goods, it can carry up to 44 troops and even massive cannon guns, while gliding through the sky at a speed of 190 miles per hour. Nicknamed after the Chinook people, it is now a global ambassador, presently under use by as many as 20 countries including Italy, Japan, India, and the United Kingdom. This powerhouse boasts a stellar track record in cargo and troop transport, search and rescue, casualty evacuation, and humanitarian operations. Thanks to its tandem rotor design, it can fly at a height of 20,000 feet and undergo aerial refueling. Built to take on even combat missions, it comes equipped with a digital cockpit management system going hand in hand with the new age. Don't you think this is probably the best in class?